Look at that slice, juicy homemade chicken ham packed with cheese cubes. Once you make this, store-bought starts sweating. Welcome to Simply Food Recipes. Today we are making homemade chicken ham with cheese. Simple ingredients, big flavor and perfect slices. First, remove the bones from the chicken thighs and cut the meat into roughly 1-inch cubes. No need for perfection. These chunks create a beautiful mosaic look inside. Now grind the chicken breast using a medium plate. This part helps bind everything together and gives the ham that perfect texture. Next, cut the cheese into small cubes, around 1/2 inch or so. Not too tiny, not too large. We want cheesy bites in every slice, not one giant surprise in the middle. Into cold water, add Prague powder, salt and powdered sugar. Stir until fully dissolved, then pour the mixture over the chicken. This seasons everything evenly and helps create that classic ham texture. Now comes the yarn part. Mix and squeeze everything really well until the meat becomes sticky and the liquid disappears. That means the proteins are activating and doing their job. Add the cheese cubes, then gently mix again. Line your ham maker with strong food-safe bag. Trust me, this makes removing it later much easier. Pack the meat in tightly and press out as many air bubbles as possible. Close it up and place it in the fridge for 48 hours. This gives the meat time to cure, firm up and develop better flavor. Heat water to exactly 176 degrees of Fahrenheit or 80 degrees of Celsius. Cook the ham for 2 hours. Check in the temperature during cooking. The center should reach 158 degrees of Fahrenheit or 70 degrees of Celsius when it's done. Once cooked, place it into ice-cold water for at least 1 hour. Then place it back in the fridge for 24 hours so it sets perfectly. Now the best part. Carefully remove the ham and slice it with sharp knife or slicer. Look at it inside, juicy chicken, cheesy cubes and perfect texture. This is amazing for sandwiches, breakfast, salads or straight from the fridge when nobody's watching. And don't forget the veggies, they make the plate look irresponsible. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to Simply Food Recipes. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss the next easy homemade recipes.